In this video, we want to talk about Palantir, and a couple of days ago, they announced their earnings, and as you can see, after the earnings were announced, price sold off, only to see the buyer step in, and also as price hit that 200-day moving average, which serves as dynamic support, price closed the day much higher, but still lower than the previous close. So why did all this happen? Well, although Palantir announced results that exceeded Wall Street estimates, there's a lot of people questioning their valuation. Even despite higher top line growth and robust margin expansion, some say that the stock should be 15% less than the current market value. Nevertheless, they still continue to make inroads outside of their heavily or once heavily government funded revenue source, and now they're expanding into more commercial applications. We recently got more news after the earnings, which caused price to eventually close above on the daily chart. But if we go to the weekly chart, you can see we have price now moving higher from what was a key level at $30. Let's actually get into news. All right, so I'm going to give you 8 reasons why one should consider buying Palantir, and one main reason for those 8 reasons, and that's when they announced their partnership with Microsoft. So the agreement will bring Microsoft Azure capabilities to national security agencies from inside Palantir's AI platform. So Microsoft gets more access to classified accounts that already uses Palantir's software. Palantir gets a huge stable partner that can increase its capabilities. Palantir enhances its reputation as software prime. It's the primary source of cutting-edge AI capabilities. Again, the U.S. military may be the biggest winner. Palantir Chief Technology Officer believes the Department of Defense should spend half of what it does, but twice as quickly. The deal will help Palantir win new commercial accounts. An example is with Wendy's to put its software into the hamburger chain's supply chain. 6th, the Microsoft Alliance should help Palantir towards aiming to join the S&P 500. This would be huge. The company was left out of the last rebalancing, but is now consistently profitable. Typically, to be considered a candidate for the S&P 500, you need to see at least 4 profitable quarters. Palantir is convincing stock analysts its valuation is not extreme. Third Bridge is the latest to raise its price target on the stock. And number 8, Palantir's rise may help the entire market, convincing skeptics that AI is delivering on its promises. Now, again, we talk about valuation. Palantir's market cap remains extreme at 23 times its sales. However, this was also the case for Nvidia and other AI stocks when their boom began. So, is this just the start? Well, we need to look at where they came from. And had you been able to buy the bottom, you would be up roughly 3x. Now, on the way up, we had a monthly buy level established at $8. We had a daily buy level established at $12. And if you miss the $8 level and the $12 level, well, you had an opportunity to get long several times while price lingered, filling those smart money unfilled buy orders at the $14 monthly buy level. And still, you had a chance to get long as the $20 support band served as resistance, which became support. And look at this green extended range candle. Now we're getting price to break out. Let's zoom out to the monthly chart to see how price action looks. And the chart suggests price can move higher. Look for your next target to come in at the $36 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.